The Puzzle of Crystals. In the heart of a hidden valley, Meadow discovered an ancient cave shimmering with floating crystal shards. Each shard reflected light in mesmerizing colors, and scattered around her were others busily assembling their own glowing crystal puzzles. The air buzzed with excitement as every completed crystal revealed a hidden door leading to unknown adventures. Eager to succeed, Meadow grabbed her shards and tried to mimic the glowing designs others had made. But no matter how hard she tried, her pieces wouldn't fit into their patterns. "Why are theirs so perfect while mine are useless?" she thought, frustration bubbling inside her. She tossed her shards aside and sat down, watching as others progressed effortlessly. Then, Meadow noticed something curious. The glowing crystals others completed dimmed the moment someone else touched them. A soft hum filled the cave, and an elder voice whispered, "Your puzzle is yours alone, Meadow. No one else can complete it but you." Reluctantly, Meadow picked up her shards again, examining each carefully. She noticed faint etchings on the edges of her pieces, guiding her where they might connect. Slowly but surely, Meadow began piecing them together. With each connection, her crystal shards glowed brighter, filling the cave with warm, radiant light. As Meadow worked, she stopped looking at others' puzzles. Instead, she focused on her unique shards, cherishing each step of her progress. When the final piece clicked into place, her crystal glowed brilliantly, revealing a door unlike any she had seen before. It was adorned with patterns matching her crystal's design, a door only she could open. Stepping through, Meadow smiled. She realized that trying to follow others had only delayed her journey. By trusting her own path and taking one step at a time, she had unlocked something truly special, her unique purpose. Your journey is your own. Step by step, you'll uncover the light within.